Good day everyone. Today I'm going to do unboxing of this, that is WONDERCHEF Nutri-blend juicer mixer and grinder. I'm also going to do review of this and my first impressions. So let's get started. WONDERCHEF Nutri-blend is a brand from Sanjeev Kapoor, and as you can see I have ordered purple one. This has 2 years warranty and the power is 400 watts. When you're buying mixer blender, make sure that you buy more than 350 watts so that it blends everything smoothly. Even the hard vegetables like beetroot, carrot, etc. Okay, so let's unbox it quickly. Wow, isn't this color beautiful? As you can see here, there are two jars, one small, one big, and lids for that. Okay, one is the normal lid and one is the perforated lid, and this is the motor which is also in purple in color. Along with this, there is also a book by Sanjeev Kapoor which is full of recipes for smoothies and other recipes which you can do by blender. Let's try out this recipe over here, that is apple ananas shot. As mentioned in the book, I'm going to add apple and one bowl of pomegranate. And a pinch of salt. As mentioned in the book, I am going to blend this by using this blend blades. So let's see how it works. Fingers crossed. There's no power button in the blender, so each time you have to switch on and switch off the main switch. The blender works fine. Now let's check the grinder. For this I'm taking some dry spices like cinnamon, cardamom and few pieces of pepper. So let's grind this and check how it works. For this I'm using the grinding blade. So let's grind our masala chai mix. This has a strong flavor, perfect for my masala chai. Even the consistency is perfect, as you can see here. You can store it in this jar itself, as it comes with an airtight lid. I am removing the blade and then fixing it with this perforated lid. And I am pouring it into a cup. This lid acts as a strainer.
You can purchase this blender from Amazon. You get it in different colors. I have purchased the purple color blender. I'll leave the link below.
My final verdict on WONDERCHEF Nutri-blend. I got it for rupees 2,150 and it is definitely worth the price. Both the jars, blending as well as grinding, works well. You get it in 5 different colors. It's portable and affordable. Only drawback what I found was it doesn't have a switch on the motor. We have to plug into the main switch each time. Apart from that, it's definitely worth buying. I hope this review was useful to you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.